Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to install Python easiest way using Anaconda. If you are network engineer, system engineer or completely beginner learner, this method is the best because everything comes in one package. We will also learn what is Jupyter Notebook and how to run fast Python code. Now you may have a question like why Anaconda? Normally if you install Python manually, you need to install many things separately like ID, package and tools. But Anaconda solves the problem. Anaconda gives you Python, Jupyter Notebook, package manager, also many useful libraries. So instead of installing many tools, we install only one. Now let's see how to download Anaconda. Then we will install it. As I am using Mac, so we have a Intel Mac, also Silicon chip Mac. So let's see what's our Mac. Our Mac is Intel based Mac. Okay. So go to the Anaconda website, how to download it. Then you can see there is actually Apple Silicon based installer. In that case, click here. Yes, we need Intel based. Then go to the archive and from here you can download Mac OS. If you click here, then it will download Anaconda Mac Intel based Mac OS installer. You just click here, you can see already I did download, so I'm installing it. Just double click here, allow, then click next, continue, agree, continue, install. Provide your Mac user password. Now just click on continue and then click close. Repeat. Okay, now the installation is done. Download and installation is done. Open Jupyter Notebook. Just copy. Open terminal. Paste it. Very good. So these steps also done. Now let's create a fast Python code. In that case, you just click new and click Python. You can change the name like practice. Then simply if you try, then for run this command, shift plus enter. Now you can see it's working properly. Thank you for watching.